Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel Car Aag 765. On this channel we explore some of the most iconic, rare, and beautiful classic cars ever built. If you love classic American muscle, vintage design, and legendary performance, you are definitely in the right place. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel Car Aag 765 and turn on notifications so you never miss another classic car story. Today we are taking a closer look at a stylish and powerful classic from the 1970s, the 1975 Ford Maverick Excelente 302. This car represents a unique moment in American automotive history when manufacturers were trying to combine performance, style, and affordability into one package. The Ford Maverick had already built a reputation as a compact car with personality, but the Excelente trim brought a special level of elegance and comfort to the lineup. The exterior design of the 1975 Ford Maverick Excelente 302 is simple yet very attractive. Unlike the large muscle cars of the late 1960s, the Maverick had a more compact and practical shape. Its long hood and short rear deck still gave it a sporty presence on the road. The front grille had a bold and clean design, while the round headlights gave the car a classic American look that many enthusiasts still admire today. Chrome accents around the bumpers and trim lines added a touch of sophistication, making the Excelente trim feel more upscale than the standard Maverick. Another great feature of this car was its balanced proportions. The body lines were smooth and straightforward, which was typical of many cars built during the mid-1970s. The Maverick looked confident without being overly aggressive, making it appealing to both young drivers and families who wanted a stylish daily driver. Even today, when you see a well-preserved Maverick Excelente on the road or at a car show, it instantly brings back the charm of classic American automotive design. Moving to the interior, the 1975 Ford Maverick Excelente 302 offered a comfortable and surprisingly refined cabin for a compact car of its era. The Excelente trim level included upgraded materials, improved upholstery, and additional chrome details inside the dashboard. The seats were designed for comfort during long drives, and the overall layout of the dashboard was simple, clean, and easy to use. Drivers appreciated the clear instrument cluster and the classic steering wheel design that gave the car a true vintage feel. Space inside the Maverick was also quite practical. Even though it was considered a compact car, it still provided enough room for passengers and luggage. Many owners loved the balance between size and comfort because the car was easy to drive in cities while still offering enough interior space for everyday use. Now let's talk about performance, which is where the 302 engine truly made this car special. The 1975 Ford Maverick Excelente came with the famous 302 cubic inch V8 engine, a powerplant that had already proven its reliability and strength in many Ford vehicles. This engine delivered strong torque and smooth acceleration, giving the Maverick a fun and responsive driving experience. While the mid-1970s were a time when emissions regulations were reducing horsepower across the industry, the 302 V8 still provided enough power to keep the Maverick enjoyable to drive. The engine was paired with either a manual transmission or an automatic transmission, depending on the buyer's preference. This flexibility made the Maverick appealing to a wide range of drivers. Whether someone wanted a relaxed cruising experience or a more engaging drive, the Maverick Excelente could deliver. Handling was another pleasant surprise. Because the Maverick was smaller and lighter than many other American cars of the time, it felt more agile on the road. Drivers often praised its stability and ease of control, especially when compared to the larger sedans of the era. Today, the 1975 Ford Maverick Excelente 302 is appreciated by classic car collectors and enthusiasts who admire vintage American vehicles. It may not be as famous as some muscle cars from the late 1960s, but it has developed a loyal fan base over the years. Its combination of compact size, classic styling, and V8 power makes it a unique piece of Ford history. For many collectors, the Maverick represents a hidden gem in the world of classic cars. Restored examples are becoming more popular at classic car shows, and enthusiasts enjoy bringing these cars back to life with careful restoration and preservation. The 1975 Ford Maverick Excelente 302 reminds us that great cars do not always need to be the biggest or the most powerful. Sometimes the best vehicles are the ones that offer a perfect balance of style, practicality, and performance. Thank you for watching this video on Car Aag 765. If you enjoy discovering classic cars like the Ford Maverick Excelente, make sure to subscribe to the channel Car Aag 765, like this video, and share it with fellow car enthusiasts. Stay tuned for more amazing classic car stories coming soon.